Okay, so very good evening all. Welcome all in Wave 2.0 uh, app walkthrough this webinar. So myself Vikram Singh and I am your host and speaker for the webinar. So in this webinar we are going to we are going to cover detailed walkthrough of all the application features and this and all functionalities. So like logging, different modes of logging, and how we can use the login page to capture the leads. Then we are going to see some detailed view of our inside feature functionality like events, news, order type. Those all things we will cover in this webinar. And I would request all the participants to drop your questions in our question in our Q&A this section, and we will try to answer all those questions by the end of this by the end of the session
in the chat.
like in the chat. So let me share my screen so we can start with it. Okay, so I hope you all can see my this screen. I hope you all can see my mobile screen. So this is our login page of our application Wave 2.0. So this is a login page. So where you can log in with a simple your login ID, password, and PIN. So we have maintained all the modes of login. So for example, one can use password and MPIN to login. After that, we have 2FA authentications also in place. So like one can use the OTP or TOTP after the MPIN or password. Here, one more feature we have introduced, like you can switch your account. So we have the multi-user login facilities also with us. So Wave 2.0 allow multi-user login, multi-account login with a single mobile device. So as you can see below the name, you can switch your account. So after you log with two different accounts, on a subsequent login, you can use any one of these and you can log inside the application. So you can keep adding the account. So it's the same like the Google feature, as we have the Google, basically Google account. You keep adding and you can basically switch between the accounts. So this is the multi-user account facilities with us. After that, we have one feature called Take Me To. So Take Me To is a kind of feature where user can decide the page, the end user can decide the landing page. So after post login, you can directly land on this of the selected pages. So here by default we keep watch list as the by default page. Okay. So here I have choose the MPIN to login. You can go with the password also. One can go with the password also. So I'll simply enter my MPIN. After entering the MPIN, it will ask me for the OTP and TOTP. So like in the demo environment, we skip those steps, but here we have the 2FA authentication also. So we can, after entering the MPIN, it will ask you for the OTP and TOTP. So this complete flow is configurable from the user setting. So one can set like whether you want to log in with the OTP or the TOTP. So once you logged in, you will directly land on this page, watchlist page. So if you guys can see, we have divided our complete application in clear 4 sections: watchlist, market, order, and portfolios. Okay, so this is the basically first section, watchlist. So here the first thing which I wanted to show you is like the watchlist. So you can swap, you can create the multiple watchlist. So we have given the option to create up to 10 watchlists. So here I have created the 4 watchlists, and 2 watchlists will come as a predefined watchlist, which is don't miss and the my holdings. So I will come on the don't miss watchlist later on. So my holdings are basically the watchlist where the end user can exactly see his holdings. So that watchlist will compile from the holdings scripts. So that is a my holding, and the don't miss is the feature which we have added into the mobile application, on which I am going to come and I will detail the don't miss concept in detail. So here you can create the multiple watch list. You can mark one of this watch list as a favorite. So the favorite watch list will come, it will start appearing as a default watch list. You can delete your watch list. Okay. So after that, you can see all of your script, and under the script we have denoted something as a pie chart. So if you guys can see under the MRF Reliance, pie chart is showing. So this pie chart is nothing but it is showing this particular script you also holding in your portfolio. So this pie chart is denoting the same script you have in your portfolio. So number of quantity and the real time gain in percentage. So for example, below the MRF, if you guys can see, so 12 number of quantity you have holded the same script in the portfolio, and the real time profit is 43.08%. Same if you goes for Reliance, so we have 3,400 quantities of Reliance in our portfolio currently, and the real time gain is 165.08 percentage. Okay. So after that, you can see the real time LTP along with the day gain, day loss. And we have given the T button. T is itself a trade button. So we don't want to confuse the end user by swipe right, left. It's a very clear and pronounced. It's a T for trade. Okay. After that, if you guys can see the this thing, yellow flash mark with the number 5 on it. Okay. So yellow flash mark is nothing but basically this is a new feature which we call it as a don't miss. So basically what happens in a don't miss thing, don't miss is kind of a mechanism which keep on scanning all of your script which you added in your watch list, and it will scan your script on the basis of price action things like volume gainer, volume shocker, day gainer, day loser, then volume loser. All this 40 to 45 plus price based action will be covered in these in the complete mechanism of the don't miss, scanning mechanism of the which we don't miss. So this engine will keep on scanning all of your script among your watch list. If anything happened, it will bring in the don't miss watch list. So like our currently don't miss scan 5 scripts. So if you can see the 5 numbers over there. So if I click on this yellow flash mark, so those 5 script will be here. Okay, so something price based is happening with this script. Because of that only the don't miss captured and start showing you in this section. So you can see like in SBIN, it's a volume gainer. IDEA is a volume gainer. IRFC is a volume gainer. Then BHEL is a 52-week high, and plus 2 more events are happening. So all those price-based events will also tag along with the script. So like in your this thing primary watch list also, if you guys can see, SBIN is showing the this thing yellow flash mark because of it is tagged with the event volume gainer. Same goes for the IDEA, same goes for the IRFC. Okay, so this all things will capture here. You can add any one of these scripts. If you want to add any script into the watch list, you go simply click on the add button. It's still up with a search engine. You can simply search anything, like any script name, it will come, and it will come among all the segments. Like it will come from the equity, future, option, commodity, everywhere. Okay, if you simply type the ACC, it will show you ACC from the cash market. Along with that, it will show you from the future equity, everything with it under the same search. Okay, you can simply add any one of this script. Then we have the filter, short and filter. So you can short and filter your watch list page, and this short and filter is dynamic across the application. So currently we are on the watch list page. That's why it is showing something called alphabetical price, percentage, and type. If I was on a portfolio and the net position page, this short and filter will change according to that page. So that like on the net position page, it will show me the profit, day, like that, of like those kind of short and filter. After this, we have something called this thing kebab menu. Under the kebab menu, we have the add script, remove script, filter, reorder the script if you want to reorder the script, then rename watch list. Then we have the delete watch list. Then if you want to create a new watch list, you can do it from here, and you can mark the current watch list as a favorite from here too. Okay. Then we have given 2 fixed spot for the exchanges. Like if you can see on the upper top band, Nifty 50 and the Sensex. If you want to change any one of this, so we have given the setting icon over here. So on the clicking of the setting icon, you can change this to fix like indices if you want to change. Then on the setting icon, like on above the setting icon, we have given the fund icon also. You can see your current funds, and you can initiate the fund withdrawal and the fund addition from this icon itself. I will come on those part like in the detailed discussion. So from here, I would like to take you all through the or buy and sell window. If I click on the T button, it will open the trade. Okay, it will open the buy and trade window. So basically here you can see the complete buy and sell order entry window. So first you guys can able to see the script name and the price from both the exchanges, from NSE and BSE, and all the possible products are listed, and we try to name all the product in simple and layman language. We don't want to use the financial jargons. So if you guys can see, so margin basically buy and sell today. What is the meaning of delivery? Hold long term. MTF is margin trading funding. PTST, so like all the products are there. Okay. You can go with the quantity, you can go with the amount also. Like if anybody want to go with 100 quantity, if I want to go for a amount for 20,000, 50,000, I can go in that way also. Then then you can go the moment I enter the quantity, it will show me the approx margin and the available margin. So you can see the approx margin required for the trade to be happen is like 71,40,690 990 rupees, but my available margin is much below than the required one. So I have the 62,000 in my account, but I have entered the quantity which required more than 71 lakh rupees. So it will immediately show me the shortfall of like amount. So if you guys can see just above the place order button, it is showing me the shortfall amount. And it initiating me to the add the fund. If I click add fund, it will directly it will direct me to the add fund page where the exact amount will be will be pre-filled. I just have to add fund and get back to the order entry page. Okay. Then we have the best five also. Like if you click that, you will able to see the market depth. Then we have the brokerage charges window also. So before placing the order, you guys can exactly see what amount of the brokerage and charges is going to apply on the particular trade. Then we have different kind of all the order, like we have the equity SIP also. So if anybody want to be invested in systematic manner in the equity side also, that feature is also integrated with us. So like quantity, if I want to, if for example, I am very bullish to the MRF, and I wanted to be invested every month 5 quantity of MRF, or 10,000 rupees every time, like 1 lakh rupees every time, or the exact amount of the MRF every time into the MRF. So I can do that. So like 5 quantity, cap price should not invest more than price go above 1,08,000. If it par this price, my cycle should stop. I will not buy. So I can exactly place the cap price also. Then you can choose the frequency in which frequency your investment should your buying should be happened. So like I can go monthly, fortnightly, weekly, and daily. So it's equity SIP. Same manner we have this swap order also. Like I'll just show you. So if I go ACC, so your rollover order also are there. So simply, so you can simply do this thing rollover order from current month to next month. If you want to go for the multi-leg order, that feature is also available with us. I want to change this order to the multi-leg order. I simply go and add any one of this order, and this will convert into the multi-leg order. Okay. So the multi-leg order is already there with us. So you can avail those features from here itself. So after the buy and sell order entry window, I would like to show the script info. So if anybody click on any one of the script from the watch list, so half card view will available, which will give the quick view to any trader or investor into the live market. So what is happening currently, like, and you can just exactly swipe and you can see all the half card view. So this half card view consists all the required data, which is enough to make a trade decision. So like the best 5 total bid, and you can quickly set an alert. You can go for the chart view, and you can execute your order buy and sell. The moment I double click or I just single click on the half card view, it will expand with the complete. It will expand to the complete screen. So this is the overview of the script. The first thing which will come here is the script name. If any event is happening with that script, like then the yellow flash mark will come, and the event will get tagged to the script like volume gainer. So SBI is a completely volume gainer for today. And if you want to see the detailed view, so SBI is a volume gainer, top gainer in Nifty 500. So you can see under the overview section, it is a volume gainer, but it is a volume gainer in Nifty 500. Okay. Then you can set an alert. Okay. You can set an alert on the basis of different parameters. Then we have the chart. for the charting, we have integrated with the Chart IQ and Trading View. Both the options are available with us. So like you have the horizontal and vertical, both the view with us, and more than 150 indicators are there. Okay, and different candle formations are there, chart style, candle formation, everything is over there. Then we have you can save your strategies. We have different time frames. Okay, we have multiple drawing tools. If you want to draw, like if you are a technical trader, you must need to draw the distinct support and support line and resistance line. Those all features are available with us. You can execute your orders from chart itself. So we have buy and sell window on the left, extreme left side. If you guys can see, we have buy and sell window also. So like you guys can execute the buy order also from here. Okay. Then we have the plus icon button. So plus icon will add to the watch list. Then we come to the overview. So under the overview, first thing is the market tab. Then we have the key stat. Key stat, we got all the important numbers like open, close, daily range, today low, high, average trading price, value, volume, last trading time, market cap. Then we have the market pulse. So all the important happening with respect to script in every segment, like future option, we'll capture under the market cap. Okay. Then we have the events. So all the important event happening with respect to SBIN will capture under this segment. So news and announcement, corporate action. So we have the filtration over here. So you can board meeting, board closer, AGM, EGM, everything can be easily selectable on your single tab. Then we have the recommendation. So if any recommendation on the particular script from the broker side, end user can able to see it from here. Okay, and you can exactly track like bias, target and stop loss. You can track the journey also. Then we have the analysis part. So under the analysis, we have two different segments. One is technical, one is fundamental. Under the technical, the first thing is going to be the chart. Then we have support and resistance. Okay, with the pivot data, with the pivot point. Then we have the moving average from both the exchanges in numbers from 15 days to 200 days. Then we have the put call ratio. Then put call ratio is available with different parameters. You can see the put call ratio on the basis of price, volume, OI, IV. And this put call ratio is very important data for the option players that we have already under the analysis. We have the OI buildup. So OI buildup for 50, 30, and 60 minutes on different time frame, like 315, 215, 115, 1250. For all the contract near far future. So you guys can able to see them. Then we have a delivery quantity build-up data in very we have like in this graphical manner. Okay. After the technical, we have the fundamental section. So under the fundamental section, first thing you can able to see is a health score. So health score for the SBIN is 62.55. So this health score is calculating after deriving a lot of financial ratios and different parameters. So we are judging, we are calculating the particular script on your strength, valuation, your market cap, your business model, your shareholding patterns. So this number is coming. This number is basically deriving after calculating different financial ratio. After doing so much of calculation, this number is coming in front of you, and this make the end user investment journey very easy to make out the one concrete decision. Then we have the financial ratios. You can able to see all the financial ratios. Then we have the trend analysis. You can see the trend analysis on the different parameters. Like you can see that your revenues, your EBITDA is going up, going down from last to last quarter, last month. Then your net profit, everything can able to see in a very easy graphical manner. Then we have the shareholding pattern. You can able to see. Then you have the annual reports, your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your results. Then if any one of the mutual fund houses have this particular script, and if they have it in what amount they are holding the particular script. So those all details we capture under the fundamental. Then we have the future tab. So under the future tab, you are going to see all the contracts, like near far future contracts of the particular scripts, along with the premium and discount value. Then we have the option chain. So we have designed the option chain in a very easy manner, so one can understand the option. Like if you can see, we are completely dividing the option chain in two parts. So the middle divider part is showing you the spot price of the particular script. So 590.60 is the spot price, and you can able to see the different strike price on and above and below of the this thing divider. And along with that, we are also giving you the like important data IV and OI. So one can directly make an investment decision from the option chain itself. So we have given the T button also. T is for trade. So you can make your trade from here, from the option chain itself. And if you want to add the particular contract to the watch list, that is also possible. Okay. Then at the end, we have the company information. If anyone is interested to read about the company, what company is doing, about their management, so everything is here. So one can go and read in every detail about the company in very detail. Okay. So this is all about the script overview. After the script overview, we will move to the market section. So under the market section, we have given the two spaces for the brokers. So like first one is the what's new. So all the new products, like anything, we have given the space for broker to post it over here. So any new insurance, any new product which is coming, which you want your user to see on the front, so you can keep those products over here. Okay, like any new IPO is coming, any new kind of investment products is coming, you guys can keep it over here, and your end user can able to see. Okay, so what's new is section for you, for the brokers. Then the new product. So again, any new things, like if broker is dealing with insurance, is dealing with some kind of other products, also third-party products. So they can simply place those products over here. So your end user can able to access those things. Then we have the indices. So we have covered all the indices like local and global. Okay. So if you mark favorite, so those favorite will start appearing on the front screen here. So you can mark any one of the favorite from the local and the global, like global indices, and those indices start appearing into the front page. Then we have the screener. We have covered maximum possibly all the screener on a different basis. So we have the price based, volume based, market ERE and OI based screener. So you can mark like 5 to 6 favorite of your screeners, and those screeners will start appearing in the front page here over here. And if you want to go, like if you click on the view all, it will show the detail. Then we have the news and announcement. So like we have 2 sections in the news and announcement. So this black card news are specifically the news which is related to the script which you have holding in your portfolio. Okay, so if you can see the pie chart on the black card. So this pie chart is denoting this news is belong to your portfolio scripts. Okay. So all the black card news are related to your portfolio. Like all black card news are related to your holding scripts news. Okay. Then we below that we have all the exclusive news. What is happening in the market? Like you can see 53 minutes ago, 55 minutes ago, 1 hour ago. So all the important news which affect the market will start appearing over here. Along with that, we are also trying to tag the script name also. So this particular news is tagged with a particular script. So that is also we are doing. If anybody is interested to read the news in detail, so he simply click on view all news and announcement. So he will get insight where he can able to see all the news from different segment. Like I want to see the news from the IT industry, what is happening into the IT, what is happening into the banking, what is happening into the automobile industry. So in particular specific industry, I can go from here, and then all the announcement from the exchanges. So then we have the events. So we have events. We have the calendar view like events. So if you click on the calendar, so you can see the complete month event, like what is happening on the particular date. So all the red dotted dates are important with respect to events. So all the red dotted dates are showing some kind of events are happening on those dates. So if I click on 19, so the list of events which is happening on 19 will start appearing on the below of the calendar. So if you can see, if I click on 20, so on 20, what is happening? If I click on 28, so these are the things happening on 20. Some scripts is allotting the bonus. Okay, you can apply the search also. If I want to see only the AGM and only the bonus, only the split happening scripts, so I can simply type on the like on the search. I can apply the filter also. I want to see the bonus on the particular day, so I can do that as well. At the end of the market page, we have the section for the IPO. All your IPO, all the upcoming IPOs will start appearing over here. Okay, you click on the IPO, all the facilities with related to IPO is available. You can see the detailed view of the IPO. You can place bid. Okay, you can go up to 3 bids. We have given the provision to go up to 3 bids. Okay, you can simply click and you can place your payment through the UPI. So that facility is available with us. After the market, we will come to the orders page. So under the order, we have managed different order books. So one can one will not get confused in single order and a multi-leg order or the equity SIP order. Okay, so we have maintained all the order book different. So one can go and select and see the order books. Okay, so here you can go and say open, completed all orders. Along with that, you have the option to see the net position also, like you can see on the ribbon. So your today's overall everything able to see. You can square off all the position in one go also. On one click, you can square off all the positions. Okay. You can apply the filter. You can search or you can apply the filter. So as I said in the beginning, all the filters are dynamic. It is completely designed on the particular page. Okay. So after the order, we have the portfolio section. Okay. So under the portfolio, you guys can able to see the current valuation of the portfolio, your invested value, then your overall PNL, your today's PNL. You can see your holdings. Like I have holded a 5 script currently. Then you can go for the positions like your today and overall all the position able to see here. You guys can able to see from here. So here also we have the filter, which is specifically designed for the particular page. If I click any one of the scripts, so it will show me these few details like your average buying, your LTP, your today's PNL, your PNL, total overall PNL, invested amount, and current market value. In additional detail, if you click on the additional details, so some more details start appearing for the end user, like your pledge blocked account, your pledge and blocked quantity, your free quantity. Okay. So after this, I would love to show you the hamburger menu. So under the hamburger menu, again, we have given the area for the broker to publish their banner. So this moving slides are for you guys, like you guys can able to place your all the new offer and banners over here. Then we have the end user profile, where if I click on the name, so end user can place their like their photo and the name. All the basic information of the end user will start appearing here, like user information, phone, email, PAN, segment allowed, bank detail, their DP, and of course the close account button is also here. If anybody want to close an account online, so that feature is with us, so they can do that. Then we have the fund page. So as I said, we have given 3 to 4 different places to execute and the funds. So one is from hamburger menu, one is top right corner of the watchlist page itself. The R symbol is for the fund, same fund which we have in the hamburger menu. So if I click on this, so it will show me the utilized amount, my available amount. Okay, and it is going to show me the fund with respect to all the segments, your deposit, your fund transfer, your collateral, credit for sale, option CFS, like all the details start appearing into the fund page. Okay, and my recent transaction also. If I have done any one of them, so it will start appearing into the recent transactions. Okay, after that we have the EDIS things, recommendation and alert. So all the recommendations and alert from the broker end start appearing here. So all the recommendations you can see here, like whatever the recommendations coming from the broker side, it will start appearing here. And the alert, if I have set any alerts, so this is my alert menu. If I have not done, if I have not saved any one of the alerts, so I can simply manage an alert from here. Okay. Then we have given the place, like we have given the space for the messages. So all the messages from the broker, your order related messages, your exchange related messages will start appearing here. Then we have one place called marketplace, which is not yet launched, but very soon it will come live with the product. Marketplace is like all the third party like all the third parties web page or their product will start appearing into the marketplace. Okay, then we have the calculators. So we have given future fair value this calculator, option value option value and spend margin calculators with you. Then we have a need help. So all the important, like all the helpful files are here, and you guys can able to see like how to add a fund, how to add script to watch list, how to trade, how to withdraw fund, how to change MPIN, everything is there. Okay, and the same thing we have also given in the users guide. So basically users guide is a small kind of demonstration of the application where we have defined everything in a very nicely in a graphical manners. So you can see how to log in. So we have written something, and we have narrated everything in a graphical manner also. And this complete users guide is available in different languages. So one can go with English, Hindi, and Gujarati. So for example, I want to see everything in Hindi. So I can simply switch it to the Hindi. If I want to see everything in Hindi, if I want to see everything in this in Gujarati, I can go for that as well. So currently, all the users guides are available. After the users guide, we have the this referral page, like invite your friend and earn money. So that is there. Then we have a space for the link. So all the important links with respect to the stock market, like NSE, BSC, so everything can be easily accessible from the links. Then we have we have also attached the reports links also. So your back office reports can be easily accessible from the mobile trading application to the SSO. So your end user can able to experience all your back office report in frame, within the application. Like again, for the back office, like you can see, and we have the two themes, like day and night. So for light and dark. So if anybody want to see the complete application into dark theme, so that is also available with us. So you can experience the dark theme also. Okay. So I have covered all the major features from the applications. So let's move to the Q&A.